In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to download Wise app from Google Play Store. All you just have to do, just open your Google Play Store app on your Android device, and if you are using an iPhone, you can open your Apple App Store on your phone. Then on the search bar, you can type in Wise, then you will see the app that will pop up. Then you see the suggestion right here, just click on Wise, and then you can see the app right here. You can see Wise, so click on it. Then right here you see how many people have downloaded this app, the overall rating, and people that have also given a review on this app. You can see right here the app have over 10 million downloads on Google Play Store, and then the overall rating is 4.5, and total review on this app is 835,000 reviews. And then if you check on the snapshot they provided, you can see your universal money app join millions using Wise worldwide, and you can also see how you can send money and also convert money as well. And you can also get a Wise card, which of course is available in over 160 countries, 40 plus currency, one card, use and move your money all over the world. Then carry 40 plus currency, see all your spending, and convert currency at your choosing rate automatically. So then you can see disappointment theft, so you have to provide to prevent your account from theft. Then our dedicated security and fraud team work around the clock to look over your money. Get paid like a local, so you can see receive money with international account number, and you can see you can generate USD and also euro account and many more like that. So once you are okay with this, the next thing you're gonna do is just to click on install. So I'm gonna install this app right here on my phone, then I'll walk you through some other content around Wise. So if you are interested in more video around Wise, you can keep watching the videos on the suggested below, and you can also see some pop-up video ideas about Wise platform.